Hello, this is David at MarineMax Lake Hopatcong. I am standing next to one of our brand new 2021 Sea Ray 270 SDX. We have metallic blue side color, a white hull. On the swim platform we have sea deck that's glued down. We also have a manual swim platform. There's a boarding ladder on the starboard side. We have a ski pole center. We can also pull from the tower. Cup holders on the port side, also with a charge port. There's a large storage area underneath this hatch. It goes all the way forward. These seats also turn into a lounge type recliner. And there's some more stuff I'd like to show you on the boat. As I move into the boat, we have a stereo control back here. Allows you to turn the music up or down without climbing all the way into the cockpit of the boat. We have a freshwater washdown back here, shower assembly. There's wet storage or a cooler that you can access from the back of the boat. Of course, stainless steel cam locks, latches. We also have a transom door. Our fuel is on the starboard side. There's a boarding step. Not all the fingers are always long enough to reach. This allows you to board the boat from the starboard side. There's some more cup holders in here. And once again, we'll move forward into the boat. As I'm into the cockpit of the boat, you can see there's plenty of ample space. We have a manual tower that allows us to fold down, a tweed bimini top. On the starboard side, we have storage under here. There's a carry-off cooler underneath. On the port side, equal amount of storage, a very, very deep well. It's almost 2.5 feet deep. The cover is currently in there. This boat is equipped with a 350 horsepower 6.2 liter. It's also a C-Core engine, which means it has a closed cooling system for the saltwater. We've also ordered this boat with an onboard charger to keep the batteries maintained. I'm going to carry forward. We have a large ski locker underneath. This boat is also ordered with the air pump to inflate water toys as well. You see before that we had a flagpole. Both seats can reverse to become leaning post and or sitting aft. Both seats also have flip-up bolsters. The driver's seat is able to slide forward or back to give you ample room. Tiltable steering wheel. All of our switches are starboard as long as our trim tabs. Of course, digital throttle, digital shift. We have our Fusion stereo system with JL speakers, a 9-inch SIMRAD. On the port side, we have a large head compartment. This boat was also ordered with the upgraded head interior, which is the shelf you'll see on the port side. Vacuum flush head. There's a small glove box up here that allows you to lock, to put your wallet, phone, keys, whatever. When you're away from the boat, you can have everything secure. We have more storage underneath the helm, and there are our bow and cockpit tables. We have a bow door, those cold nights. As we come forward, we have armrests in the bow, storage underneath each seat, wet storage, and another ski locker under my feet. This boat also has a power windlass with a stainless steel anchor in the front. I'd love to show you more about the boat. If you want to see us at MarineMax Lake Hopatcong. Thank you.